Weight must have got round the hood that I've got my new birdie things, because I'm getting all kinds of lovely birds, lovely colourful ones, coming eating in my garden. Only my little Robbie was eating it at first, and now there's all kinds. I'm a bit of a bird woman of Ashbury Road now. The rumour's gone round. That's me little thing I done last night with all nuts and seeds and raisins in, what Alicia Noon said. And then I poured fat in it off the mince. I'm made up with them. It took me like a week for them to get used to coming here for it, but made up. And there they are, close up, eating out of it. Get on to me, eh? Bird woman of Ashbury Road. Hope they find this little feed that I've put in as well. No one's been at that yet. Hopefully they will. Hope my little robin finds the nest I've put there for it. Cost me $7.99 for that. How good is that, eh? Little wildlife. That's why you can hear them as well, because the camera's by the nest, by the food. Oh, I love it. How mad's that, eh? How good's that? That one having a little nose around to see is anyone looking. Got nuts and berries and maize, I think it's called. But they're loving it.